Guys, future Dain here in Japan. Before you watch this video, I just want to say I literally just finished editing it. Please watch it till the end. I promise you'll really enjoy it. Also give this video a thumbs up, leave some comments down below on what you thought, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. So yeah, enjoy. Hey guys, hope you're all good. I'm coming from the Gold Coast and Surfers Paradise today. I'm currently at Bunk Hostel. I thought I'd just do a little update. I haven't really vlogged in the last week. I think the last time I did a bit of video was probably like a week ago in the Whitsundays. And the main reason for that is just my camera. It's just really bugging me that there's dust on the sensor. I've got my GoPro, but my Canon camera is a lot better than that. So I've decided to not let that stop me because I still want to film the rest of my trip. I'm going to get my camera fixed hopefully when I get to Sydney or Melbourne in the next few days, and hopefully get that piece of dust removed because it's driving me insane. But yeah, it feels good to be back in front of the camera now. So just checked into my hostel. I'm only here for a night. Wish I had more time, but I stayed a bit extra longer. I stayed extra in Brisbane, so it's kind of cut my Gold Coast by one night. So this is the view from my hostel room. And then I've heard really good things about Bunk Hostel, and this is probably the cleanest hostel I've stayed in. That's my bed there. And then they've got little hangers, lockers, and this is the first hostel I've seen where you get your own safe in the locker, so that's really cool. And then this is the bathroom. It's pretty good. Got my little lanyard. And then yeah, it's quite a nice toilet actually. In the grand scheme of things, considering how dirty other toilets have been in the hostels. So what am I going to do today? I'm going to chill out on the beach because apparently the beach is amazing here. Now I went to Miami a few years ago and absolutely loved it, and everyone I've spoke to says that Gold Coast is like the Miami of Australia, so I'm excited to see that. And then I'm going to go up this Sky Tower observation deck later and get some views before I get some dinner. So yeah, let's head out. Hey guys, so I'm sat on the beach now. I went and picked up some sunglasses because somewhere down the line I lost my sunnies and my eyes have been burning because the UV rays in Australia is so strong. So yeah, I went and got Starbucks as well. It's like I've been in a bit of a treat yourself mode, which I need to stop sometimes because I just spend money on unnecessary things like Starbucks when I know that I can just go to the hostel and get coffee for free. But at the same time, I am on a holiday, so I do want to treat myself as well. The beach here is absolutely gorgeous. It does kind of remind me of Miami actually, though Miami's a bit more, I don't know, a bit more tropical, I guess. But this beach is stunning. It's like white sand, got the waves in the background. So I'm gonna lie here for a few hours because that's my favorite thing to do when I go away, just lay on the beach. Hey guys, so just a quick update. I've been sunbathing at the beach this morning and I'm going to grab some food now. Now I saw earlier they have a Lord of the Fries here, which I had in New Zealand, so I'm going to get that, but I'm not going to get French fries because I've literally eaten that every single day since I've gone travelling, so I need a break from the potatoes. But Lord of the Fries is like this vegan fast food restaurant and they do so many different types of burgers. I think I had like a Parma cheese one last time, so I'm going to see which ones they have now. good, thank you. Can I get the spicy burger, please?
Yeah. Just in the meal or by yourself?
Do you just do fries as a side?
So, for the sides and the meal, or do you only the fries?
Is there like a deal that you do?
So yeah, you can if you're this spicy, if you get any of the fries, sauce and drinks, you can get $2 off for the meal.
How much is that?
It's gonna be like $20.
Okay, yeah, I'll just do that. Can I get classic fries and then a drink? Did you say?
So,
do you get a drink as well?
Yeah. Any drink?
Cool.
So inside the shopping center.
Can I get the mango iced tea?
Yeah. Ready?
Thank you. Do I just wait?
Yeah, I'll bring this one.
Sweet. So I caved on the fries and ended up getting those as well, but the burger is so good. So I'm gonna eat this and then no more fries for the rest of the week, I think. The thing I like about this burger place is they don't actually advertise it as vegan, but it's all vegan, so I'm gonna eat it all. So what I was trying to say is I put myself on a fries ban, but I just failed so quickly right there. But Lord of the Fries, it's vegan food, but it's like a vegan fast food restaurant. However, they don't really advertise that they're vegan, so like even when I just went in that one, I kind of queried it because I couldn't see the word vegan anywhere. It's not until you look closely that things will say like plant-based or vegan, so yeah, if you ever see Lord of the Fries, 100% recommend it. And I actually think they've got the best fries that I've had in a while. Like even though I've been eating them every day, those fries were on point. Hey guys, so I didn't end up going to the Sky Tower today because I was just having so much fun sunbathing. And I thought it got to like 5-6 o'clock and I thought the sun's gonna set soon and I kind of wanted to see the Gold Coast in the daytime. So I literally laid on the beach, had a little walk, and then I've just had a really chill evening. It's like, what's the time? It's like 8:30 and I actually haven't really spoken to anyone today and it's felt really nice. As much as I love being sociable and traveling and meeting new people all the time, sometimes it's just like I need to have a me day. So I put on a face mask, cooked myself dinner, and I'm literally like sat in my pajamas. I'm gonna edit some videos and then probably just watch Netflix and go to sleep. And I feel like I've definitely like recharged my batteries. And this hostel is a nice hostel to do that because I've stayed in some proper... So my camera just died, but basically what I was saying is this hostel bunk in Surfers Paradise, it's a nice hostel to recharge your batteries. I've got a nice little lamp, which is nice. I've got a plug in my bed, and it's just generally like a really nice hostel. Like some of the places that I've been staying have just not been very nice, so it's nice to just have somewhere to relax for the evening. Almost feels like I'm at home a little bit, not completely, but just like my own little space, so that's nice. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the morning. Good night. Whoa. Good morning guys, day 2 in Surfers Paradise. I'm feeling really good today after my long sleep. I'm feeling refreshed and also excited because I sorted out my Japan trip. So I'm flying to Tokyo in 2 weeks and it's been a bit like nerve-wracking because I haven't really met anyone that's been to Japan, so I can't be like, where should I stay? What is there to do? So I've been looking at it. 1, booked 5 nights in Tokyo, and 2, I've ordered my Japan rail pass, so that is going to be delivered straight to Japan. There's a few other things that I was looking at as well, like pocket Wi-Fi and stuff like that, but I need to have a look at it. Also, I've booked to get my camera fixed when I get to Sydney on Friday, so buzzing about that because this thing, whatever is in my screen, is just annoying me. So let's go to the sky deck. Hey guys, so I've just left the Sky Point. That was really cool. I didn't realise how high we was up. It was it literally went up to floor 77, which is at the top, in like 15 seconds, I want to say. I wouldn't say you need any more than like 30-45 minutes there, unless you're having like breakfast, or I think they do drinks up there in the evening as well. But yeah, I've got a lot of good pictures, a lot of good videos, so I'm gonna have a look through them. You can literally see the whole Gold Coast. It's unreal. Definitely check it out if you're in Surfers Paradise. So I am gonna hop on a Greyhound now and head down to Byron Bay, so I should be there in a couple of hours. So I'll see you guys soon.